J Hass. Assala, baby. You are now listening to the talk of the town. Butch Fresh Home 3P. Get me? Let's go. Roads ain't safe, that's why my mommy prays for me. That's why my tool always stays with me. Tell a fuck boy stay away from me. And these niggas wanna play with me. Why you gotta do that? Like you never knew that. Man, I'll go there and leave them slumps like Tupac. They wanna see me lose my cool. Lord forgive me if I use my tool. Lord forgive me if I lose my senses. So many pagans, I don't know who my friend is. Too many man wish death upon me. So I don't trust no niggas except from me. I can tell you about them crime scenes. I don't only rap on beats. Axe man be a burner boy, he don't do no Afro beats. That's my brother, 9 bags for the rollie. All these slags, they my phony, cause I rap they wanna know me. Tell her no strings, cause I can't hold down no wife. I'll be grafting, posted on the corner like a low life. They don't wanna grind, they gon' grow up to be dickheads. Me, I'm up and down, there's no rest for the wicked. Should I stay low key and not cause all the trouble? Now niggas getting robbed, they ain't supporting the hustle. My link gave me Zeds, and if I don't make prof, I'ma go back and leave the whole scene taped off. Broke on a Monday, copped a Z on a Tuesday. That shit was gone by the Wednesday. Rob my connect on a Thursday. Flood the strip on Friday, do the same on Saturday. My line jumping by Sunday. I should've stayed in Collie. I should've went to uni, getting brains off of Molly while I'm wiping down my toolie. Baby girl, I love you. No, that's just the weed talking. My line died, I started grafting, now it's respawning. Me and Grumpy munching jollof rice and salad cream. Niggas wanna challenge me, niggas wanna vanish me. I'll slide through, make the fecky go boo boo bang. If I die now, my mom got bumped by the juju man. The beef gets cooking, my niggas get live. Copped a big dotty, I'm just trying to survive. I can tell you about months of grind. What you know about putting food where the sun don't shine? Weapons got lost, the same weapons got rebought. Niggas giving verbal, nigga let the streets talk. My Akis don't fuck with no pigs, cause you can't say Islam or alaikum and eat pork. Wanna see my brothers ballin', Yar and Colo. If they don't grind, then I'ma roll on my solo. I get the cheapest Zeds from my Ghana brother Kojo. They say I fell off, well I guess I found my mojo. Me, I told the truth, no lies. Tryna turn my trackies into suits and ties. You've been grinding for some weeks and you're still on the same Z. Me and Grumpy cop a 9 bar, then we break bread. She calling me handsome, please stop pretending. J Hass boss fam, I never been a painting. We used to be dogs, fuck that, I refuse to know. Man, I poke him up like a voodoo doll. Cause I rap for the girls, they wanna watch face. I ain't playing no games if I touch waist. J Hass / Juju J, nutcase. Bust gun, bust juice, then we bust case. I mean, bear man hating, they don't wanna see me shine. I'ma shine regardless. J Hass next up, next beat.
Maybach music.
J Hass, East London's ugliest. Assala, baby. Where do I start from? Jake's in my mud drum, tryna get my balls on any kind of large funds. Creeper took the flicky, but Hass took the large one. Creeper took the flicky, J Hass took the large one. Damn, I took one for the team. Do you know how much shit that we done for the cream? I keep telling myself I gotta jump on the dean. Meanwhile I'm tryna leave a nigga slumped on the scene. Bless all my niggas with peace and salam. Still gotta roll with the heat in the palm. My part east isn't calm. Axe man broad day beating it calm. Yo, my niggas ain't phony crooks, they'll blaze if they're nervous. They don't know holy books or places of worship. Money, burners, we grind for a reason. Out here for a purpose, out here for a purpose. One day I leave this whole life and jump on the dean, but I'm stuck in a scene that corrupted my dreams. I constructed a team, no one around me's bummy. My brothers trapping 6 ways, real rowdy and scummy. I was up and down, you only found me with grumpy. I'm just pissed, my connect never found me the pumpy. Jallo be a nice guy, yeah he might act savage. End up in the court full of white lies and black magic. My soul be filthy and dark. I might bust case but I'm as guilty as charged. And if mum knew all the stuff I do, she'd have a heart attack. If I lose it all, I'll cop a coup, then I'll start from scratch. I was born in error, causing terror. As long as there's beef, I'm with my sword forever. I ain't rich yet, but I'ma stay patient. I made the whole hood say I need a vacation. Stuck in the ends, lost a lot of friends. Still some niggas that I gotta make my shank dance for. I still boogie with the devil on the dance floor. Still out here with the rebels and the outlaws. Money on the table, investments are pistols and pumpies. Right now it was me, Kizzle and Grumpy. Nowadays I party up in Bristol and Pumpy. Bristol and Pumpy. All the peace that I lost was a piss take. Fake friends I used to trust, mistake. I can't tell you about a kiss or a cuddle, but I tell you about the shit that I risked for this hustle. Came back from Brisk with the newest parcel. My niggas got the piss like a urine sample. You think for the peas he won't clap your dome? You think he won't yak like Snap Compound? We grind hard in the East End. No part-time shit, I'm in the deep end. Graveyard shifts, the hours were peak. No showers, no sleep, devour the streets. I came from the dirt, hustling's the only way. Devil took my soul away. All mommy does is hope and pray. I'm sorry that I let you down. Might not make it home today, listening to views, or it's my eyes on the motorway. I was with the Ackies in the kitchen like a yardie chef. On the grind all day and we hardly slept. And these girls don't like us, they used to give lineups, and now they're trying to get us lined up. But I can never get sucked by a bookie yap. Trying to tempt me with a tits, but I ain't falling for no booby traps. Hey, listen, the beef gets cooking. Hey.